guys, we're done for church, and then we stop in Rostan supermarket. So I get seasoning everyone, and I get some fruits also because I need it. And then I decided to get some chocolate or chubby choco, chubby choco, and also I get another chocolate everyone. Once in a while I eat chocolate everybody. So if you're looking for grocery, I think for me I can say that Rustan supermarket it's good. You can, everything you need is there also. One of my favorite grocery store, Rustan supermarket. And yeah, so I think I get what I get, and I need to get